What's up, everybody? Sam Smyers here. Today, I want to show you how to make the horn sound from the drop of Fisher's Losing It. I saw a couple of other people trying to remake this sound, but I felt like I could do better, and I wanted to remake it in Serum and then provide you a free preset to download. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let me go ahead and play you the horn sound in the original. Hopefully this doesn't get taken down. So that is what I'm going to be remaking in Serum. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly, so if you need to pause the video at any point, please feel free to do so, just because I'm going to be tweaking a lot of knobs and try to get this sound as quickly as possible. So this is going to be the note. Let's go ahead and go to oscillator A, analog. We're going to do BS sub-saw. And then oscillator B, we're going to do BS filthy. Raise this up to 8 for that unison. Raise this up to 6 for this unison. Let's take down the detune. And maybe turn down the level on this one. Now let's go ahead and turn this FM from B. And this sync. Maybe just a little bit there. Now let's go to my envelope 1 here. I'm going to make some adjustments on this envelope 1 so that we get that attack to make it a bit like a horn. And we, of course, need some release there. I think that's fine for now. I might have to come back to it. Let's go ahead and turn on the filter here. Make sure it's on for A and B. MG low 6. And let's turn up the drive, turn down that resonance, turn up the fat a tiny bit. Take down the cutoff. And then, of course, I'm going to assign envelope 1 to my cutoff here. And I just turned down that level a bit. And I might have to adjust that further as I get along here. So let's just go ahead and play that. Now for this LFO1, let's go ahead and make some adjustments to this LFO1. And I will do envelope here. Turn that on, keep the rate at 1/4. And for envelope 1 first, let's go ahead and assign this to the wavetable position. And I'm going to take that down to the opposite way, so negative. And for LFO1, I'm going to put this on the wavetable position. And also put it on FM from B. That gives us some grit at the beginning. And let's now assign it to the wavetable position here. Maybe turn up that release a bit. Now let's go to the effects. Let's turn on the distortion here. Turn up the drive. Go to the chorus, take off that low pass filter, take down the depth a tiny bit. Now let's turn on some reverb. Put on a low cut. Now go to our EQ. There's a lot of bass in there, so let's go ahead and put on a low cut. And now let's listen to the original again. And our sound so far. Sounded pretty close. So now I'm going to add on some other plugins here. I'm going to turn on the utility plugin because I want that bass to be mono. And then a pedal here, I have it on overdrive. Because the sound in the original is very distorted, and now you can hear it actually raising up some of that release there. And then I'm going to put on another EQ8. Just to make sure it's not super bright. But now I want to go back to the Serum here because I feel like as that initial horn hits in the original, it gets a bit brighter as it goes on throughout the bar, throughout the measure. So I'm going to go to my LFO2 here, put this on envelope, put this rate on bar, and then I'm going to assign that to the cutoff. So it just gets a tiny bit brighter as you hold out that note. And let's listen to the original again. And our version. So that sounds pretty close to the original, and I'll go ahead and put a download to this preset down below, and just make sure that when you do use this preset to add a bit more distortion and some EQ onto the actual track to get it to sound a bit more like the original. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like, and also please consider subscribing. If you don't want to grab any of my other Serum presets, I'll put a link down below if you want to grab my Serum Deluxe collection. And if you do want to improve your mixing skills, then check out my Modern Mix Academy. This is going to be a full online mixing course. It will help you make some of the best mixes of your life from the comfort of your own home. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.